willingness of all the staff around the state and to create a brotherhood among all of entire fraternity of this department. I hope this should continue because last year also I said that it's difficult to know who is who. Wherever somebody meets somebody, it keeps a great bonding. And great thing that you are always on those to help people. I just not thought before unveiling the thing, I said, is any at the stadium, around the stadium, I said, I leave every great family happening, great matches happening there. Are you been taken care? Or they want the child from you? You should take care of it. In other sense, they can take your feet and come and see. At least some passes to see that they attend all the matches. Who are free enough, they are not going to. Okay, all the best. And God bless and wish you a very successful tournament. Thank you.
It's a privilege for all of us to have among us our chief guest, Sri Brahmanand Sankhwalkar. He is a distinguished, a legendary figure in the Indian football, a proud son of Goa, and a role model for all of us. He is the recipient of 2 prestigious awards, one of the country's highest civilian honor awards for his work and achievements and service to the nation, Sri Padma Shri. He is also a recipient of Anjuna Award, which is one of the highest in the sport sector of our country for achieving excellence and achieving a lot in the sport industry. Friends, I am very happy how Sir has shown the leadership, discipline, and he was a motivation and inspiration for all of us. Sri Brahmanand Sankhwalkar. Same way we should learn from him, and we should inspire, and we should try to achieve something great for our state and for our country. Sports, I always say, it is a beautiful way of learning much more than what we learn on the field. We learn a lot of qualities. They can be correlated with, especially, football. The first quality, which is very much can be related, and therefore there are 4-5 qualities which I will tell. And the purpose of this tournament is to inculcate this kind of qualities and learn from this and bring the joy, the energy, and the celebration of what we achieve today. The first thing is teamwork. In sports and especially in football, no single player can win matches. We cannot win the matches alone. You require teamwork. Same way in our department also, if you have to progress, if you have to grow, we need to collaborate, we require teamwork. Then comes the agility and adaptability. Like how in futsal, it is a game of seconds. You need to be continuously on a watch. It's a game of movement. You need to adapt. Otherwise, you will lose the game. It might cost you a goal. Same way, we need as a department, we need to adapt a lot of new technologies what is coming in the market. Then is the focus. Very important. We in electricity department, we need to be focused. Otherwise, it will be cost us in safety, life of a person, and we will not be able to give the good service to the consumer. Same way, how in football, in futsal, you need to be focused. If your focus changes for a second, you might get a goal. Then you have discipline in futsal. Same way how we require discipline in while playing football, same way we require discipline in our department so that we remain disciplined when we serve our consumer. And most important thing is respect and sportsmanship. How we should have a true respect. We should respect, irrespective of whether we win or we lose. We should try to respect and we should appreciate each other's strength. Let us be here to appreciate everybody's strength while playing football. Have a true sportsmanship. Same way how we in departments, we should respect each other. We have to respect the juniors, we should respect our seniors, all the stakeholders which are there and which are a part of our department. So these are the qualities which can be correlated with this futsal. And the very purpose of this futsal is this. We need to bring everybody together. And we should have that joy. We should come together. It's a game, it's a celebration of energy, enthusiasm and togetherness. The love, what we get through today's tournament, these 3 days, the joy, the togetherness, let us take it back after 3 days. Let us know each other, let us appreciate each other's strength, the efforts what we put, and let us celebrate and bring and take these memories to cherish in the near future. I want to say, let's open up today's tournament with joy, with happiness, with love, and let us be united. I declare today's tournament open to all. Let us not play this tournament to win. Again, I want to say. But let us get the joy, have laughter, be happy, and enjoy every moment. Only then we will be able to say, in true aspect, we have created some memories, we have created value to our work and to this tournament. Once again, wish you all the best. Let the games start. Let us have the passion of joy. Let us bring energy on the ground and take the energy back to our offices and on field. Once again, thank you. God bless. Wish you all the best.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.